3D Matrix lamp box installation and backpack key instructions. The box with a handle is on the top, and the button is on the bottom. Note the bottom side of the module board with letters. Pay attention to the up and down direction when installing the module board. Connect the container to the module board and place the signal cable in the groove. Lock the latch after installation. Connect the lamp string to the module board, insert the hole, and tighten it. The box and the box are locked after the lock buckle is protruded. The first box is connected to the power supply, and the rear box can be cascaded. The number of cascades is determined by the length and power of the lamp beads. The first box is connected to the computer, and the signal can be cascaded to 254 boxes. Double-click the button on the back of the first box to write the code. Long press the key in ArtNet mode to switch to the built-in effect. Click the button to switch effects. If the click is not the main control box is not able to switch to all boxes. The main control box needs to be set in Madshow. Click the main control box to switch the effect of all the expansion boxes. Long press the key in built-in effects mode to switch to ArtNet mode. Press and hold the button for 10 seconds to restore the box to factory settings. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.